Sky Space, the Royal Tantra on the Great Perfection of Bodhicitta. When it is time for our disciples, we practice as fits the occasion. When it is time to be sure, we have no position or side. The arising of sentience in ourselves and others is a transmission of the mind itself. The three mind treasures, in the transmission of effortless perfection, in reality do not particularly exist, but they appear according to the faces of our ideas. The bliss of Samadhi is the treasure of our awareness. It is the experience of clarity in one moment. Without any stages, it has no conditions. It is beyond all obstruction. We settle into the equanimity of the intent of the three ways. We are beyond effortlessness. We are spontaneously perfect. The three heats, the three signs, and the six knowledges will come to us through blessings, and not by our seeking them. Those that associate in their abiding within the four Upadesha instructions do not cling to any visualization of the essential clarity of these four. It can be anything. Anything is possible, everything is clear, but we do not recognize it. In the wisdom of the awareness of the all-good, we use minds that have no center or border to engage. Self-originating awareness is a clear light. We touch upon a dominion where there is no consciousness. The non-duality in what we actually think is not still. It is due to the difference there is between understanding and not understanding, that things appear individually just as they seem to. We have no position or side regarding the meaning of our awareness. To reach the end, there is the path of the bodhicitta. Our unsought true natures are spontaneously realized. In the true nature of the one circle, there is an uncontrived and spontaneous realization. It is like the spontaneous realization of a blazing jewel. In wisdom that is realized without seeking it, everyone teaches an accounting of their own quests. Primordial purity reaches the end. It is removed from every aspect of holding on to demarcations. Self-originating awareness is a clear light.